Hello everyone, myself Rokudeshu Prasad Ganpatrao. Today's discuss to the daily task video topic is technical topic clinical trial. What is meant by clinical trial? Clinical trials means research and study to the that new medication and new drug development study and efficacy and safety of new drug. In these clinical trials are approval to the regulatory authority. In these clinical trials are time consuming process, mainly 7 to 8 years are consuming to the whole process. It will be consist 5 phases of clinical trials, phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So let's see the phases of study in clinical trial. First phase is phase 0. In this phase 0 name is human microdosing study. In this phase are 10 healthy patients are including checking toxicity and efficacy of preclinical trials. Efficacy of preclinical study. In this 0 phase are preliminary data of on the drug pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic studies. Second is phase 1. Phase 1 name is pharmacological testing. In this phase are determination of doses. In this phase are 20 to 50 healthy patients are including. In this phase are checking the toxicity, dose tolerance and dose range. Phase 1 is divided into two types: single ascending dose and multiple ascending dose. In this phase are also including the food effect to the drug checking. Next phase are phase 2. Phase 2 the therapeutic exploratory trials. In this phase are mainly safety and efficacy are checking. In this phase are 100 to 300 patients are including to the clinical testing. In this phase are used to the control single bind techniques are used, and also in this phase are drug toxicity and drug interactions also checking in phase 2. Next phase is phase 3. Phase 3 is therapeutic confirmatory trials. In this phase are most expensive and time consuming phase. In this phase are 250 patients to 1000 patients are including to the clinical testings and new drug discovery. In this phase are double blind technique are used. Also study to the phase 2 are single blind technique used and phase 3 is double blind technique used. In this phase are testing to the safety, efficacy, comparison to the other drug and side effects. In these clinical trials our last phase is phase 4. In this phase 4 are post marketing surveillance or post marketing studies. In this phase are drug regulate the market and study to the marketed drug to the watch and discover to the side effects of these drugs including the markets. In this phase are time consuming and long process. In this phase are adverse drug reaction monitoring phase. Also clinical trials are pregnant ladies and child are not including. In this all clinical trials are healthy and diseases with healthy and young diseases patients are used and testings in these patients. In this all process are phase 3 is most important and time consuming and long process, most expensive this process phase, because in this phase are all type of trials are including and checking to the all types of testings. In this clinical trials are phase 0 and phase 1 also including is phase 1. So thank you.